How to use Faysal Bank credit card points. Now, this method of process is very easy as long as you follow through. You will not have encounter any problems in the near future. So, redemption of points on Faysal Banks, specifically for your credit card rewards, is actually quite simple. So, if you go directly into the Faysal Bank reward card points on their official site, you can scroll down from here. You can type in the merchant name, category, and the city as well. Now, this is actually the legend on where you can redeem your specific points. Say, for example, the merchant is from Barry's. You can redeem it through an apparel, and this is their specific city. Now, if you have a lot of points on a Faisal Bank, this could be also the one that you can go to. Just simply type in Faisal Bank Digimall. Hit on the very first link. So this is actually affiliated with Faisal Bank rewards points. You can choose what specific item you would like to have, say for example on mobiles. And then if you add anything or if you add something in your cart, you can go ahead and go into that option that says input code so that you can lessen the price by using your credit card points. So that's pretty much it. That's how you use Faisal Bank credit card points.